This was on that.
Wow.
Bills were made for the Gemma Foundation,
Yeah.
and we hope they get donated soon for them to use.
And it's at the Johnson Senior Center,
Johnson Senior Center.
the quilting class.
Giving,
Well, the quilting class meets every Friday, and you pick just different charities to donate quilts. Wow, and you've done some for,
Giving football.
oh, I like that. You've given to Project Linus, you've done, what other charities?
AIDS baby, we gave them.
their veterans.
Yeah.
Holly Charette House.
Oh, that's right, it's right here in Johnston.
A couple of children
That
Oh,
needy children, yeah.
Well, that's wonderful. And you're always looking for donations of clean cotton, 100% cotton, and different.
And any gals who would like to come help us sew, that'd be wonderful.
Oh, wow. And no experience necessary? You could learn? Wow.
Run a sewing machine.
We could teach that too.
Oh, wow, that's wonderful. You do wonderful work. You guys make special tags for the quilt. Pat Baxter is famous for her calligraphy skills. Beautiful.
This way, right?
Wow, and it says Giving Quilt Guild. That's wonderful. And the date, very important. And then all the quilt makers. Now, who are those going to?
We have not decided
Oh, okay. So,
We
you,
want to make up our minds now. We're thinking Christmas.
yeah,
We want quilt-worthy people.
quilt-worthy people. I like that. Wow, you have some with bright colors, some with patriotic colors, baby quilts. Wow, that's wonderful. You turn regular fabric into beautiful works of art.
Yeah. We cut beautiful fabric up into little pieces and put them together again.
Oh, like a jigsaw puzzle.
That's what someone said to me. I don't know.
I like that. Wow.
Cut it all up and one thing is cutting up pieces and putting them back together.
I like crazy quilts. I look.
Oh, yeah.
It's wonderful that you document the work too.